In this video, I will show you how you can gain root access on any Android device, whether it is on any Android version. You do not have to install any custom recovery, no bootloader unlocking required, and also you can boost up your gaming performance using this method. Your warranty will not be void. You are watching Tech Ustad YouTube channel. If you are new here, press the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get notification of my new videos. And if any one of you guys want video on your topic, let me know in the comment section. I will try to create a video. And guys, let's get started. You have to install a pre-rooted virtual machine in your real Android device. This time the virtual machine name is X8 Sanbox. It will give you virtual root access. You can run all applications which requires root access inside this virtual machine. And it means after installing this application will make a clone of Android system inside your real Android system, and this clone of Android system is already rooted. And virtual means anything which is available which can be seen but which cannot be touched is virtual. So this application will give you root access virtually. You can run all applications, and the download link is in description. Its APK file size is 350 MBs and you need 350 more MBs to install this application. And after installation you can delete the APK file to free up your internal storage, and you need 500 more MBs to make this application work smoothly. In total you need about 1 GB of free space in your internal storage for installation and to make this application work perfectly. And already many people know about virtual machine like VMOS. VMOS is also a pre-rooted virtual machine. I have already created a video on VMOS, but the problem with VMOS is that if you run VMOS on low-end devices which have 1 GB of RAM, you feel lagging and hanging problem. But if you use this virtual machine X8 Sanbox, you will not feel any kind of lagging or hanging problem. And also you can speed up your games using this virtual machine. So now my application has been installed. Let me open it. Agree the terms and allow all permissions. Go back, and here as you can see Sandbox is initializing. It can take about 1 to 3 minutes and you must have an active internet connection. Now my environment has been set up. Click on Play Store. So open the Play Store, and the first boot up of Play Store will take about 2 to 5 minutes, so you have to wait here as mentioned here. Now click on sign in, and again you have to wait for about 20 seconds. And here you have to fix one thing. When I type anything, the text will not appear into the text box. All the things will appear on the top of keyboard, and after I hit enter, then the text will go to the text box. So let me hit enter. So as you can see here, to fix this problem, click on the word icon at the bottom of keyboard, and now if I type anything, all the letters or words will directly go into the text box. So let me sign in my Gmail ID. If I download anything from the Play Store which is available in virtual machine, all applications will be stored in the virtual machine's online storage. My internal storage will not be consumed. And there is a vertical bar at the right side. Hope you can see it. So when I click on this vertical bar, navigation keys will appear, and these are the navigation keys of virtual machine. So as you can see here, now go to home, and there are all things which you need like the super user application. Now again click on the vertical bar and click on the 3 dots at the bottom. Here is the main setting of virtual machine. Now click on root manager, and toggle this switch on to enable root access for all applications. And also you can disable and enable root access for individual applications separately. This feature is for those applications which does not run on the rooted mobile, so you can disable the root access for those applications. You can use the X8 speed plugin to speed up your gaming performance, and you can use the exposed framework. I will tell the benefits of exposed framework later in my next video. You can change the screen resolution of virtual machine, and also you can change the navigation buttons position. Now my navigation buttons are at bottom, as you can see. Now guys, go back and if you want to import any application from your real Android device, click on the plus button and there is list of all applications which I have installed on my real device. By clicking on the add button, application will be imported to my virtual Android system. Also you can import the APK file which are available on your internal storage, and also you can import the things from your micro SD card. And if you want to shut down or close the virtual machine, you can use the shutdown button, and you can use this red button, this red small button. And to switch between the real and virtual Android, click on the home button, and at the back this is your real Android system, and in the small picture or in the small image this is your virtual Android system. So I hope you are getting the difference between real and virtual Android system. So you can switch using the recent apps, or you can switch by clicking on the virtual machine image. So you can easily switch and you can run all applications easily which requires root access inside this virtual machine. And if you have any question, ask me below in the comment section or on my Instagram. I will surely help you. And guys, that's all about this video. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe my channel for more cool videos like this.